in India, as I did not have the good fortune of having a mentor during my formative years, and now I realize that had I had mentorship, it would have been path breaking in terms of the how destiny panned out in my journey. I am Kishore Khaitan. I am a businessman with more than 40 years experience in manufacturing. My journey started while I was in school when I started going to my family business's factory to learn about production and management, and then went on to do my graduation and MBA in USA. One experience that I cherish and I want to talk about is the experience of mentoring my son in his startup, where he wanted to produce a solution to provide low cost access to power to villages which were not connected with power or had very few hours of power availability through setting up solar smart grids in India. He won many national and international awards and recognition for that. But his journey in the startup has seen quite a tough roller coaster ride. And advising him, counseling him, and keeping up his motivation to sustain through all the challenges and hardships, and then come out successful at the end, where he's now today making smart meters for the power distribution agencies in India, and has contracts for more than 5 states, and has been able to acquire $200 million of investment from a leading infrastructure based private equity fund. That experience has given me the inspiration to start this initiative for mentoring startups in the name of my honorable dad, who's no more. The name of the firm, we named it as Natmalji Institute of Entrepreneur Mentorship. The idea behind it is that in India, as I did not have the good fortune of having a mentor during my formative years, and now I realize that had I had mentorship, it would have been path breaking in terms of the how destiny panned out in my journey. And the fact that I was able to mentor my son's journey and made him not lose his enthusiasm and kept him going till he achieved success. This makes me believe that given my experience and given my experience with mentorship, if I can put together some very experienced entrepreneurs who have gone through similar rough journeys during their formative years of building their empires, and if they can be provided access to young entrepreneurs who want to grow their startups and gain through the wisdom and experience and guidance of such seasoned entrepreneurs, then it would be doing a human service to the startup ecosystem in India. And with that mission in mind, we have started this initiative under our family foundation, and it's a philanthropic exercise, and we hope that a lot of entrepreneurs will take the benefit of this and ensure that the chances of their startup becomes very bright, and all their energy and resources they put in transpires to success ultimately in their lives and in their business.